Alright, my peeps, welcome back to Lumberjack Kitchen. Today we have some medicine, homemade medicine. We're not doing take medication, no. I'm not doing sicky. So first panelist, we have some Guinean weed, we have ginger, you can see, we have turmeric, and we have some garlic. So we're going to boil this, known as, but I got some do thing, medicine, so I'm gonna drink this. This cure your body. You get the point? Yeah. From born till now, I'm not sick. I'm not take no medication, a straight bush. Healing of the nation. Them things are the healing of the nation. So these are my homemade medicine. So stay tuned. I will show you the full video for this, right? How I prepare my medicine. Alright, my people see that. See turmeric and ginger and garlic, Guinean weed ready and on. So from yesterday cool along and things. So I put the rum light to preserve it. I put the rum light to cure it. Sorry, my bad. I put the rum light to cure it. That will not spoil because I buckle it up and thing. So medicine I got nice, man. Natural homemade medicine, man. Yeah, my people see rum here. I put rum on my one. You can drink it still, man, but I put rum on my one to make it cure. Right, I say? Yeah. Yeah, so it go cure now. So you know, say 4 days time. So I ready. So medicine I ready in 4 days time. Alright? Yeah. Yes, my people, see there? I go shake it up. So the buckle fat. Remember that same medicine from them time, this medicine gone 7 days now. I was 4 days and put it fat. So the buckle swell. This is the turmeric, ginger, garlic, and Guinean weed. This is the medicine, antibiotic to your body. As a human being, you have to drink them things. But I put the rum in my one to preserve, for cure, for not spoil. Right? Yeah. So now I'm going to take all 3 cork of it. Right now. And I cork one, I want a good look amount to drink. Long time I drink another medicine, you know? Yeah. So you know, this is antibiotic to your body and everything. This is clean out of you know. All bad blood, bad radiation, everything in here is all clean out right now. This is clean you and build you, all infection. Everything is out of you right now. This is an antibiotic. So this is my homemade medicine. Homemade medicine, right? Yeah, man. So so never feel like around body. Solid touch medicine, you hear that? Remember lumberjack, you know. Anything you smell up on the media is a good thing I do. Then this is an antibiotic medicine to your body right now. But not normally, like 3 carb I take or 4 carb right now. A long time I drink other medicine, so I just take a portion now. I don't really feed on the medicine, I take it like around 3 or around 6 morning, is it? No, it's like that again. Not one thing good for nothing. I'm out.